Bururi wa Kenya ni murathime na mithemba itiganite ya nyamu cia githaka na cia maai-ini, undu uria ugucagiriria agendi aingi a kuma nja na thiini wa bururi na kurehe kigina kinene kia uthii wa na mbere. Nyamu ici ikoragwo igithamaka makiria ma nyanjara na ndie itanyihire 60 iria ni ngitire kiwatho, no muigana wacio nduikaine.
What do we have? What do we possess? What do we own as a nation? Because without understanding the numbers and how much wildlife we have, we would not be able to have measures of both conservation, we would not have measures of mitigating the challenges.
Niguo kuhithukia namba ya nyamu bururi-ini, minista wa ugendi Najib Balala ni aruguririe utari wacio nyanjara-ini ciothe guku bururi-ini, uruguririo uria hanikire nyanjara-ini rwa Shimba Hills county-ini ya Kwale, akiuga ati mihango ino gutafanio kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu ndege na ngari.
Tutatembelea Turkana County, tutatembelea Wajir County, tuangalie wale twiga walioko kule Wajir. Hayo ndio mambo ambao kama serikali tunataka kutekeleza.
Balala ongereire kuga ati utari wa nyamu na hau kabere urarongoragiria nyamu ta njogu, munyina igirie koretwo ugwati-ini wa kuhuka, no riu mathabu mane ma nyamu ciothe.
We are told the numbers of playing games are going down, declining. Why are they declining? We need to have science behind it. The sable antelope that we have here are hardly 50 sable antelopes in Kwale. Sitatunga, we are not even aware how many there are. The roan antelope, there are hardly 20 animals we have in Ruma. The bongo that we have in Mount Kenya, but also those figures are not very clear.
Tiga nyamu cia thi nyumu iria cie maai-ini onacio no igutarwo.
Idadi ya wanyama kwenye bahari yenyewe wanatambuliwa na wanahesabiwa pia. Mwisho iliyofanywa hesabu ilikuwa ni 1900 mwaka 1997.
Utari uyu wa nyamu ugukorwo ukihuthira muigana wa ciringi makiria ma mirioni 200 na gukorwo ugithi na mbere ihinda-ini ria mieri 2.
To do all this expensive program by helicopters, by caravans, by using foot soldiers on the ground to do the count, and within the short time, that is a very expensive process.
Fatomwe wa utari kuringana na Balala ni kuhotithia thirikari kuhukia haaro gatagati ka andu na nyamu, undu uria Balala oigite ucungiririe ikuo na hathara nene.
They are endangered. Like the rhino numbers are almost 1,600. The elephants about 34,000 elephants. Our data collection to Turkana and other areas for elephant, the numbers will be higher.
Ongereire thirikari ina thire wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 14 kuma mwaka-ini wa 2014 nginyagia mwaka-ini wa 2021 kuri handu aria matharikirwo ni nyamu ici.
Currently we have a pending bill of outstanding that we have not paid to human wildlife conflict to a range of 14 billion, from death to injury to destruction.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.